Hi, if you are looking for an unbeatable freehold development with good capital appreciation, look no further. Welcome to Hyll on Holland, a prestigious freehold development in Prime District 10. Brought to you by the teams behind Atra, Dorset Residences and Park Olympia. Hyll on Holland is a collaboration between two renowned developers, Cole Brothers and Far East Consortium. With a good mix of 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom and 3+ study, this 319-unit development sits on a nice land size of 130,000 square feet, comprising of 6 blocks of 12-storey towers, of which 5 are point blocks. Located along Holland Road, the 6 residential blocks are elevated 16 meters above street level and comes with a full suite of facilities, including a 50-meter infinity pool, multiple pergolas and pavilions, a grand lawn, as well as an interesting fitness feature, which is a 50-meter sprinting track. A bit more on the location. Hyll on Holland sits on the former site of the Hollandia and Astoria, and we are close to amenities such as Holland V, One North, NUS, and also a short drive away from the famed Orchard Shopping Belt, Singapore Botanical Gardens, and the Dempsey Hill.
In Hyll on Holland, our 2-bedroom ranges from 570 square feet to 721 square feet, a 3-bedroom at 936 square feet, a 3+ study at 1055 square feet. With optimum layout in Hyll on Holland, you can get a 2-bedroom with a luxurious 4.5 meter wide frontage for our living and dining, and 3-bedroom of up to 5.4 meter wide. This L-shaped kitchen comes with high-end appliances from Miller, engineered stone countertop with seamless backsplash.
The largest unit here in Hyll on Holland is the 3+ study deluxe, which faces the serene greenery of Holland Hill. As you enter the unit, you will have this space which is 1.8 meters wide, which you can double up as a utility corner or a niche and quiet study corner.
In our 3+ study, we have a dry and enclosed kitchen that comes with very efficient cabinet drawer spaces, as well as your high-end appliances from Miller, including an inbuilt dishwasher tucked away neatly under the kitchen countertop. As we step into the master bedroom, we have not one but 2 wardrobes with a personal safe provided in every unit.
That concludes our quick tour of Hyll on Holland. Thank you and
See you soon!